I love my hair on this stage. Okay, this is what I want. Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I want to talk about the different types of interlocking methods for locks and what I think about all of them. So me personally, I am using the 2-point rotation. One, the main reason that I do this is because I don't really want too much hassle with my hair. So I can literally do it while I'm watching TV. Boom, out. So I actually do side and then backwards out. Okay, so I know a lot of people will be like, no, it's not going to lie down. No, I hear you, but it lies down for me. It's fine. When it comes to this part of my hair, I do try to make sure, I end up doing, this side the last, so that it lies down here, and if it's this side I do it this way, so I make sure it lies down here. But the back ones I don't really care. I just do side to side, back to front. So that's what I do. I do only 2-point rotation, and the other reason why I do this is because it makes my hair soft. I don't really want a hard lock. I want something soft and flowy, something that will shrink. My hair shrinks a lot, like the shrinkage is real. I have a very long I have quite a long hair, so it's shrinking quite a lot. You see where it is, and it's not even the worst it can do. If I put water in this hair, it's gonna shrink even more. Has no respect, right? Kind of want my hair to just be free and soft and flowy. I think I'm gonna miss this stage. I don't know, because I see a lot of locks that are quite just long and just straight. I don't really like straight look. I want volume. I love my hair on this stage. Okay, this is what I want. I want my hair to stay like this forever, but I know it's not going to. See all those curls, I'm gonna miss it when it's gone. I'll probably have to do a lot of braid outs and twist outs and all those palm rods and stuff like that to my hair to get the color, because I do appreciate our curls. Just not the pain of combing my hair. That is why I do only 2-point rotation. If you are looking for something that will be more stronger and more fine and strong, and you get what I mean, there's less flowy and less shrinkage like me, 3 or even 4-point rotation is the best. And 4-point rotation is basically when you go all the positions. So side to side, you bring out maybe lower to up, and then you go the other side, and then you come from the front to the back. So you did it 4 times basically. And the one I do is basically just side to side, bring it out, and then bottom to up, bring it out, side to side, bottom to up, side to side, bottom to up. That's what I do. Am I doing it perfectly? Probably not. But I'm getting quite used to it. I've only interlocked once, twice, and I feel like it's so easy for me to do because I don't know, I feel like hair is hair. And also the reason I don't fret too much is because I have quite a tiny locks, so even if one goes away, nobody's gonna notice. I'm not gonna miss it too much. But if I want to attach it back, I can. I made a video how I attach my lock, because I've actually cut my hair by mistake when I was trying to separate 2 locks that were locked together too hard. I tried to cut and divide the locks, and I cut off one of my locks here. And yeah, I made a video how I attached it, so that one is sorted. But the beauty of having a microlock for me is that if one falls off or something happens to one, it's not going to be bad for the whole hair. As long as my hair is healthy, I'm good. The other thing is, some people really do like their hair to be just stiff and long and strong and fine, if you get what I mean. I thought about it before, because I have a lot of hair. I just kind of wanted to reduce my hair, because I feel like, it will help. I don't know what I'm thinking, but I think God wants me to have fluffy hair. So in that case, definitely 4-point rotation is for you because it's going to make it tight, compact, and you are going to retain your length for sure. But it's not that's not what I like anyways. I just wanted to talk about what I do, the rotation, the retightening method that I use, and the reason that I use it. Let me know which one you use. Let me know the reason behind it. I really want to know, because I feel like the 4-point rotation will just make my hair very long and not stretchy. Do you get what I mean? It will not shrink, it will just be stiff and compact. But I don't know. Let me know why you do it, because I do know a few YouTubers that do that as well, but I don't know. Anyways, I am actually scared for my hair because I know a YouTuber that does 2-point rotation, and I think she's on her maybe 9 years of locked, 9 years locked, and her hair is so puffy. Her hair is, it's like her hair is big, and I don't want mine that big. I like mine here, it's not too bad, but I don't want mine that big. And what I know is that the older your locks get, the fuller it gets bigger. I need to go think about this. But oh gosh, I don't know. Her hair is big, man. It's beautiful, but it's like it's taking over her face. It looks nice on her, but I don't know if it's gonna look nice on me, because one, I'm not a makeup person. I cannot draw my face to comfort and don't get overwhelmed by my hair. So I just want something that will just behave and just complement my face while and not overtake my face, if you get what I mean. But yeah, if you have a lot of hair and you want your hair to just stay controlled and compact and small, then 4-point rotation. But if you want something full and voluminous and fluffy, 2-point rotation is the best way to go. But I think I've spoken too much. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions for me. I'll be so happy to answer it. Anyways, I'll speak to you in my next video. Bye.